Isang bagong photo ang ibinahagi ni Chris Aquino na kung saan ay makikitang tila nagdadrive si Bimby at nakasakay nga sila sa isang sasakyan. Doon ay kinuwento ni Chris at tila nagbigay ng paglilinaw sa mga lumabas na mga balita tungkol sa kanya at ang kanyang excitement na rin sa panibagong buhay. Ayon kay Chris, "It's midnight as I begin writing this. There are some stuff I heard online that needed clarification for direct to net Jadaone. Sana kinuwento mo yung background why tayo na take two because nakurap yung scene when Dong's character was trying to kill me. Nakalublob ako from 9 p.m. to 5:30 a.m. And what you forgot, nakisama ka as well as Direct Irene sa paglublob natin. But walang nagamit. You said when Dong and I were wrapped in our towels, masarap siguro talaga pag Egyptian cotton towels. Game ako for you and Irene anything new that Apple released this 2025, but I have proposal. Expect a call from Alvin. Yes, he's still with me. After more than 20 years this week, I lost my voice and they had to pack up several days of taping and umabot ng 180 over 130 my BP with one of my first severe cases of vertigo. It's a combination of a Ferris wheel that wants to prove it can also be a scary ride, plus Anchors Away, plus Jurassic Park, and Transformers, plus Harry Potter. And about giving the cough and cold medicine, the girl was seated a table away from me. Alvin politely approached the girl and offered her Tylenol, cold and cough, or the Theraflu. She was having a hard time choosing. After the shoot, before sleeping the Theraflu, pwede pong mag-thank you. Mag-wave ka na lang, hindi siya pwedeng mabinat. She waved, I waved. That's how I remember what transpired. Sa pangalawang pagkakataon ay nilinaw naman ni Chris Aquino ang sinabi ni Anjo Eliana na pinagsabay ni Chris si Robin at Anjo bilang karelasyon niya noon. Kwento ni Chris, Anjo Eliana, you filled my room with pink balloons for our first monthsary. Hindi ako proud but he said as it started we didn't last 3 weeks because pinagsabay ko sila ni Robin. Wala siyang kasabay. Anjo, ano ba? We were outside my mom's house, sinatid mo ko, may naghihintay. It was a big surprise for me and you. You left with these parting lines. Mukhang nakakagulo ako. FYI, girlfriend ko siya. Kahit feeling ko, pagising ko, wala na. The surprise, girlfriend mo harapan mong binabastos. You don't trust her. Dumalaw ako dahil isang buwan akong abroad. Dala ko yung pasalubong ko. Di ba mauuna ka na? I stood unmoving staring at the floor. Disclaimer, I was 21, Anjo was 23 to 24, Mr. Surprise was 23. Sa puntong ito ay nilinaw ni Chris Aquino na hindi totoong karelasyon niya si Robin Padilla ng boyfriend niya noon si Anjo Eliana. Marami rin natuwa sa pagbibigay ni Chris ng bagong photo na ito na mapapansing maayos na rin ang kanyang itsura at nai-enjoy nga niya ang pagta-travel. Ang nasabing location ng photo ay ganito, nasa boundary si Chris ng La Union at Ilocos Sur.